Hi friends! So I received a special request from 3rd grade to make more videos of crafting and building projects rather than just drawing art projects, so I thought you all might enjoy this one. Today I'll show you how you can create a miniature house from items you may already have in your house. I'll be using recyclable items, which may be things like toilet paper rolls or cardboard, or other items that I can give a new life rather than throwing them in the trash. Mini crafted homes are often called fairy homes. Here are a few examples, some being more advanced, but I wanted to show you these so you can get a better idea of what materials you might be able to use. These houses are made from milk or orange juice bottles. You can also do them from milk cartons. These homes are made from Dixie cups. The homes here are toilet paper rolls with egg carton roofs, a house made from popsicle sticks, and one made from a flower pot. Oh, and I also really like this one because the roofs are made of cupcake wrappers. I'll show you my process, but you can choose to take this lesson in any direction that you choose. So here are just a few items I grabbed for now. I'll probably be adding more along the way, especially like markers or different color Sharpies. But I have tape, glue, I have some tissue paper, some plain paper, scissors, Sharpie, a very small styrofoam cup, which I think will be the base of my house, and some cardboard. So I'm going to make this small styrofoam cup the base of my house, and I'm going to use a Sharpie to make it look more like a house. And then later on, I'll show you how you can add a roof. So now I'm going to begin to make my roof. Since my house has a circular top, I'm going to start with a circle to make my roof. I'm just gonna grab something circular, trace it onto my sheet of paper, and then put a pattern in this circle. Now I'm going to cut this circle out. Okay, so with this circle, I'm going to show you how to make a cone-shaped roof. A cone-shaped roof fits perfectly on something that is cylindrical, that has a circular top. Okay, so you might be using a cup, you might be using a toilet paper roll, or some other sort of cylinder shape. Once you have your pattern on your paper circle, you're going to take some scissors and just cut to the center, one slit to the center of your circle. Then you're going to overlap these two flaps. See how that would look on your house. And then I'm going to grab my tape, take a little piece, and tape down the edges. And then I can secure my roof onto my house. So now that I've made my house, I think I'll make my house have a yard. So I'll get my cardboard, and my tissue paper is the perfect color for grass. A little bit of glue goes a long way, no puddles, just a quick box and a zigzag inside. And of course, if you don't have tissue paper, you can always color your grass green. And now that I have my house glued down, I can decide what other details that I want to add. So maybe I want to put a walkway or a path, maybe a picket fence, a tree, some flowers in the yard, and I can make these things out of items that I already have at home, just like we did with our house. So I think I'm going to leave mine like this for now, but again, you can take this in so many directions. You can make an entire neighborhood if you want to. Thanks for watching.